Hey guys, welcome to 1401 Peacepipe Trail in Xenia. This is a gorgeous 3-bed, 1-bath, over 1,000 square foot stunner at a steal of a deal. 3-dimensional roof up top there. Plenty of space on the inside. This is not your typical shotgun style ranch. Give you a quick view of the neighborhood out here. Let's take a walk, look at that backyard real quick. Tons of driveway space, a good 4 cars worth of parking back here. Backyard is huge. Get a little view of that right there. Shed for all of your mowers and tools. Tons of space in this home. Gorgeous patio back here in great shape. Let's go inside and check it out. Alright guys, just coming in the front door here. Let the camera adjust for just 1 second. Huge living room in here. Carpet's in really good shape, and like I said, this is a steal of a deal for what the sellers are going to be asking for it. Newer laminate flooring all the way into and through the dining room and kitchen. Dining room's going to open up into those double sliding doors right there out to that huge backyard that we saw. Come on into here for the kitchen. Beautiful, gorgeous upgraded cabinets, countertops, newer appliances. You got your bottom freeze refrigerator. Gorgeous backsplash right there. Really nice setup. Let's come on back into here. We'll check out our utility area and bathroom first. So coming back through here, washer and dryer located in its own area back here, so it's not intruding in a closet or something like that. There's your utility room, your furnace, water heater, 2018 on that water heater. Second back door back there. And our bathroom here, tiled all the way around in the shower. Newer vinyl flooring, updated vanity, updated mirror, and commode. Let's come back in here into the bedrooms. We'll show you those real quick. So here is our bedroom number 1. Off to the left as you're walking down the hallway. And to note, all the bedrooms have power and receptacles in the ceiling and ceiling fans already installed. Let's come into bedroom number 2 on the left as you come down the hallway. Oversized closets in these bedrooms as well. And coming back into bedroom number 3. Again with those double-sized closets. So once again, a gorgeous house for the first-time home buyer, somebody looking to downsize. The price on this one can't be beat. It is a steal of a deal out here in the Arrowhead subdivision in Xenia. Alright guys, thanks for hanging out with us today. We'll talk with you soon.